हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। सो बेसिकली ये वीडियो क्वेरी बेस्ड वीडियो है जहाँ पे मैं आपके कुछ क्वेरीज अटेंड करूंगी और उसका रिप्लाई करूंगी। आई एम गेटिंग मैसेजेस ऑन माय लिंक्डइन एंड आई थिंक वैसे ये जरूरी नहीं था बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मैं इससे पहले दो वीडियो बना चुकी हूँ जहाँ पे मैंने क्लियरली एसएपी फिको से रिलेटेड जॉब्स, करियर्स एंड एंट्री लेवल जॉब को कैसे हंट करना है, क्या तरीका आप लोगों को अप्लाई करना है, वो ऑलरेडी मैंने शेयर करा है। बट स्टिल आई थिंक कि स्टूडेंट्स या तो आई थिंक या वीडियो देखते नहीं है या स्टिल दे वांट लाइक फ्यू ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस, रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस मुझे मिलते हैं। तो डेफिनेटली मैं इतना एलैबोरेट होके नहीं समझा सकती बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मैंने बहुत इन डिटेल दो वीडियो मैंने ऑलरेडी पोस्ट कर दिया। आप प्लीज जाके देखिए एंड इवन मैं उसका लिंक भी दे दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। बट ठीक है, मुझे लगता है कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो जिनके कुछ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस थे, तो मैंने उसको डिफरेंट सेगमेंट में डिवाइड किया है, लाइक करियर एंड जॉब रिलेटेड क्वेरीज। दिस आर द कॉमन क्वेरीज जिसको मैंने ऑलरेडी अटेंड किया है, इसलिए मैं वापस से बस रीड करके आप लोगों को इसके जो मेरे एंड से मुझे लगता है करना चाहिए या अप्रोप्रिएट रिप्लाई है वो मैं दे दूंगी। ठीक है, तो मैंने डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स में डिवाइड किया है, लाइक करियर एंड जॉब रिलेटेड, लर्निंग पाथ एंड ट्रेनिंग से रिलेटेड क्वेरीज, एसएपी सर्टिफिकेशन से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेरीज थे, एंड सिस्टम एंड टेक्निकल क्वेरीज एंड रियल वर्ल्ड एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन क्वेरीज। ठीक है, तो लेट मी आंसर one by one. So first is like, can I get a job in SAP FI without prior finance experience? So see, it is difficult but possible. Since SAP FI deals with financial processes, companies prefer candidate with finance or accounting background, जैसे CA, MBA, finance, BCom, MCom, है ना? तो however, if you don't have finance experience, you can still learn SAP FI, get certified, and start as an SAP FI end user before transitioning into a consultant role. Fine. Second, how much salary can I expect as an SAP FI consultant? If you are a fresher, see, for 0 to up to 2 years, you can expect on an average, say 4 to 8 LPA. Like on an average, it's generally goes 7 LPA. Fine. Now, if you are a mid-level, say carrying 3 to 5 years of experience, then somewhat between 8 to 15 LPA. And also, if you are a senior level, say 5 plus years of experience, then 15 to 30 LPA, somewhere in between. Now, also salary also depends on various things like location, experience, and certification. Even a certified consultant can earn like 10 to 20% more than a non-certified consultant. Fine. Now, what is the career growth path in SAP FI? I have made a very YouTube shorts on this. You can watch it. So it goes as like SAP FI end user if you are at an initial level, or you can join as an SAP FI junior or associate consultant. Then moving forward, senior consultant, SAP FI lead, then SAP FI solution architect, then SAP FI project manager, and SAP finance director. ठीक है, even some consultant also switch to SAP S4 HANA Finance, SAP CO और SAP Treasury, TRM जिसको बोलते हैं, for career growth. Now, which industries hire SAP FI consultant? See, already ये क्वेश्चन मैंने इन डिटेल मेरे एक वीडियो में मैंने एक्सप्लेन करा है, आप वो भी चेक कर सकते हो। तो देयर आर वेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज, मेनली तो आईटी और कंसल्टिंग फर्म्स हो जैसे एसेंचर, टीसीएस, इन्फोसिस, डेलॉयट, कैपजेमिनी। इवन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जो इंडस्ट्रीज है, टाटा स्टील हो गया हमारा, सीमेंस हो गया, बॉश हो गया, है ना, बॉश हो गया, ये कुछ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज है जो इवन एसएपी एफआई कंसल्टेंट्स को हायर करती है। बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस सेक्टर्स में भी जा सकते हो, एचएसबीसी, जेपी मॉर्गन, आईसीआईसीआई बैंक, रिटेल इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक Amazon, Walmart, Reliance Retail, and telecom and healthcare like Airtel, Apollo Hospitals and all. ठीक है, now, what is the demand for SAP FI versus SAP CO? See, SAP FI is more in demand because every company needs financial accounting, and SAP CO is useful in manufacturing and cost management. But companies often hire SAP FI as well CO. Remember, SAP FI slash CO consultants who can handle both. Now, do companies hire fresher for SAP FI? Rarely, but possible. Most companies prefer experienced candidate or at least certified fresher. Fresher can start as SAP FI support analyst or end user before moving into consultant roles. Next question was, how long does it take to become an SAP FI expert? See, for basic level understanding, आपको अगर you have to be like prepared yourself at an entry level, it takes like 2 to 3 months on an average. If you are a consultant level, if you want 6 to 12 months, and if expert level, then definitely with all the real world project 3 plus years of expertise needed. Now, can I work as a freelancer in SAP FI? Yes, but freelancing in SAP FI is competitive. You need 5 plus years of experience and hands-on project expertise. So there are various platforms where you can provide freelancing job or where you can offer like freelancer.com, Upwork, people per hour, ठीक है, etc. Now, coming to next section, which is learning path and training queries. What is the best way to learn SAP FI? See, you can start with SAP Learning Hub free edition, the basics one. You can take a course from Udemy or SAP Learning Hub Professional. You can practice with SAP IDES system or live SAP Access. Even there are various free tutorials available in YouTube, considering mine including mine, and you can even get SAP FI certification to add on the credibility. Now, next, is SAP FI difficult to learn? If you have a finance background, it's easy. But if you don't, you might struggle with accounting concept like leisure, tax, and reconciliation. But nothing is difficult. You have to give like extra input and extra effort in learning the SAP FI and knowing the accounting principle. Next, how much time does it take to learn SAP FI? As I already answered this question, I won't be repeating it again. Which is better, self-learning or classroom training for SAP FI? See, self-learning you can do from Udemy, Coursera, YouTube. There are various SAP Learning Hub. Definitely, it is cheaper, but you have to be maintain that discipline. You are not like jump aya whenever you feel like you are watching the video. No, you have to be like very disciplined when you are learning by your own. But there are various classroom training, like there are various SAP authorized centers, private institute. Definitely they are expensive, but yeah, they are more structured manner. Like they have a proper timing, they give you notes, they give you life on projects or life examples. So definitely that is more structured, but at the same time you are paying for it, right? Now, what are the best online platform for SAP FI training? As I already answered this many a times, ki SAP Learning Hub, it is official, but it is costly. Then there is SAP, Open SAP, where free SAP courses are given. Udemy, it is definitely budget friendly and lifetime experience. And YouTube tutorials, that is without any like payment, you can access free of cost. Now, do I need to learn SAP CO along with SAP FI? See, it is not mandatory, but yes, as I told it, I have explained, I have just answered it that if you learn SAP FI slash if you have CO knowledge, definitely it makes you more valuable. So some job roles do require both FI and CO expertise. Right? Now, is hands-on practice necessary to learn SAP FI? Yes. Theory alone won't help in real-world job roles. Get hands-on practice using SAP IDES or live SAP system. You can take the server, you can practice what I am teaching or what any other teachers are teaching. Just keep practicing on your server. ठीक है. Now, where can I find free SAP FI practice system? See, SAP Live Access, it is paid but official. FF, SAP IDES free, but it I do carry some complex setup, and there are various other online SAP simulations portals, or there are various vendors who are providing SAP server. Okay. Now, SAP certification query. Now come to this. Is SAP FI certification worth it? Yes, it improves job prospect and salary. Certified consultant earn 10 to 20 or 30% more than non-certified. Which SAP certification should I go for? I have already made a YouTube shorts on it where I have mentioned all the relevant exams based on your module. So आप वो भी check कर सकते हो. So definitely here answering this question, for beginner, it is C underscore TS4 FI, which is for SAP S4 HANA Financial Accounting, and for advanced user, SAP FI Professional Certification required. Now, what is the cost of SAP FI certification? देखो, it depends country to country. जब मैंने दिया था, it costed me around like 20 to 21,000 per attempt. Okay, remember this. One attempt. This is for one attempt. Now, how can I register for the SAP FI certification exam? Definitely, if you will be giving your exam, you have to register on SAP Training Hub. Remember this. Now, can I get a job without SAP FI certification? Yes, but certification increases the chances. But as I told you, in real world hiring procedure, consider on the experience factor. If you are more experienced, then certification is given least priority. So definitely experience is more than certification, but certification increases the chances if you are a fresher or you are not getting any like added advantage in your career or in your resume. Now, coming to next. System and technical queries. How can I install SAP FI on my laptop for practice? Use SAP IDES, free but needs setup, or SAP Live Access, paid but easy to use. Which version of SAP FI should I learn? ECC or S4 HANA? See, S4 HANA जो finance है ना, it is a latest and future proof that I have already told you. But definitely ECC FI still is used because it has not been completely phased out, and even knowing the difference or knowing the changes to understand what is the difference between ECC and S4 HANA, and to be logically cleared about the concept, ECC is must. Do I need coding knowledge for SAP FI? No coding needed for SAP FI consultant. Basic जो ABAP knowledge helps in debugging. ठीक है, just a simple if you have a ABAP knowledge which you gain with time, eventually when you get job, eventually you come across various error and you tend to learn it, and you get some those knowledge, some basic development related knowledge, and that is enough, which at least helps you in debugging the process. Okay. Now, last is real world and implementation query. These are what are the job responsibility of an SAP FI consultant? C. Configuring SAP FI, handling financial report, supporting end user, integrating FI with MMSD, etc. Second, how does SAP FI integrate with other module? SAP FI MM involves vendor payment, procurement, accounting. SAP FI SD के साथ customer invoices, sales transaction. SAP FI CO के साथ cost tracking and budgeting. Do SAP FI consultant need to travel for project? Yes, if working for a global company. Many project require on-site implementation. मतलब जहाँ पे company है वहाँ पे आपको जाके implementation करनी होती है. So yes, it do involve traveling. ठीक है. So I think कि अब इसके बाद queries नहीं आएंगे, but still आएंगे, that's okay. But I am telling you कि I have addressed enough of your like main जो कॉमन क्वेश्चंस है, एंड इसमें भी काफी कॉमन क्वेश्चंस वेर इन्वॉल्व. सो ठीक है, इट्स ओके. इफ यू थिंक देयर आर मोर queries, please reach out to me through LinkedIn, or you can drop a comment on my YouTube channel. So that's all about today's class. Thank you and have a good day.